Today, we're going to talk about my new diesel heater. It's an HCalory toolbox model, and as you can see, I've made a quick connect into the side of the trailer. I'm going to make a quick disconnect system to get the heat into the camper. Here are some of the parts I ordered from Amazon. I'm fashioning a bug screen to go into the quick connect. The sewer connection was deeper than the camper walls, so the adapters were made. I cut a hole in some wood and then painted it with this high temp paint. This is butyl tape. It's a flexible adhesive to keep the water out underneath my wooden panel. Here's the new adapter plate, held on with only 2 screws. Here I'm taking off the tape that protected the adapter from the spray paint. I used 600 bond glue to attach the adapter to the wood. Here's the waterproof cap applied to the outside. Here's the opening from the inside, and I've since put on a cap so I can direct the airflow. I'm putting in the diesel, getting ready to fire her up. I bought this nice cap that allows the cord to go into the battery. I installed it too. Because the heater draws so much power, I went straight to the battery with the ring adapters. Diesel heaters take a lot of amperage to get started, but after the glow plug is hot, they run taking very little energy. Here's the whole setup. I can use the remote control to set the temperature and turn it on and off without ever getting out of the trailer. Here's the clicking you hear when you fire it up and it primes the pump. Here's how quiet it runs after it's heated up. It heats up my tiny space very quickly. The air coming in was too hot, so I put on this diverter. The diverter allows me to put more or less heated air into the camper. Here it's diverting a lot of the heat to the outside. I think I could heat a tent too. Here it's diverting all of the hot air into the camper. Here's my solar panels that recharge my battery so that I can run the heater. The space is too small to run the heater all night long. I run a 100 amp hour battery, an AGM. If you like this video, you may like our books. They're on Amazon. We'll see you next time, Jeeping Across Arizona History. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up and ask any questions you may have in the comments.